Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. A taxpayer places a passenger automobile in service in 2025. The business use is 40% during the first year. The taxpayer does not elect the bonus depreciation. So it's a passenger automobile. Which depreciation method must be used? So is this predominantly business or not? It's not predominantly business because the business use is 40%. Can we use MACRS? No. Can we use MACRS? No. Can we use the straight line? Yes. No section 71, no bonus allowed. That's correct. Bonus depreciation only? No, it's not bonus depreciation. So you have to know the difference between when the asset, when the personal property, like a passenger automobile, is predominantly used for business or not. Now, what you can do if you're taking this quiz on Farhat Lectures, you could use farhat.ai to explain the topic. If you want help about understanding the topic a little bit further, explain the correct and incorrect answer. And if you want to, you can ask the AI, prompt the AI to create another MCQ for you. What should you do now? Whether you are an accounting student, enrolled agent, CPA exam candidate, go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional lectures, resources, AI resources, notes, podcast lessons to help you succeed. The best investment you can make is invest in yourself, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.